add highlight to Instagram. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can add highlight to Instagram. So to add highlight to Instagram, you have to follow this step. First of all, you have to make sure that your Instagram app was being updated on your device. If not, then you have to go to your Play Store or App Store, then search for the Instagram on your search bar. After that, you have to make sure that you have the latest version of your Instagram app. If there is any update available, then you have to update up your app. So here you have to open up your app and log into your account. So to add a highlight to your Instagram, you have to go for the profile option, which is on the bottom. After you are into the profile, you can add a highlight to the Instagram. After you are into the profile, you can add a highlight to the Instagram. So you have to go for the three line option, which is on the top right, and go for the archive option. So here you have to go for the story archive. So to put the story, so you have to go for the three line option, which is on the top right, and go for the archive option. So here you have to go for the story archive. So to put the story or add the highlight to your Instagram, you have to go for your story option. And on your story option, you can see the highlight option on the bottom. Go for the highlight. So here you have to write the name of that highlight and go for the add option. And go back and the highlight will be displayed on the profile. So with the help of this process, you can add a highlight to Instagram. And go back and the highlight will be displayed on the profile. So with the help of this process, you can add a highlight to Instagram. So that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.